Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on structuring your prices in SellerActive. In this video, I'll be reviewing the different types of prices in our system and how they interact with our profit protection settings, as well as how to make changes to these prices in our user interface and in bulk using a file upload. SellerActive offers a host of different ways to reprice your products on the various marketplaces. Each marketplace operates differently, and SellerActive has built effective solutions to keep your prices competitive. However, it is equally important to protect your margins while remaining competitive regardless of the marketplace. For this reason, we offer profit protection settings to help manage how low or how high your pricing can go on a given channel. Currently, we offer 5 different price fields that will help protect your profits: manual minimum and maximum price, dynamic minimum and dynamic maximum price, and a preferred price. To access your profit protection settings, navigate to Tools and Pricing Strategies and choose any marketplace or strategy combination. Every strategy we offer includes profit protection settings. For this example, I'll create an algorithm strategy and click Next to land in our profit protection settings. Your first option is to choose a pricing fallback strategy. These options kick in when there are an insufficient number of qualified competitors available to price against, such as when Amazon removes the buy box and you are using a specific buy box strategy. You have one of 3 options to choose from: none, where we leave your price as is; preferred pricing, where we will fall back to the specified price you have uploaded into the preferred price field; or pricing strategy, where our repricing engine will switch to a secondary strategy that you have created. The next settings to choose from are manual or dynamic minimum and maximum pricing. Our manual minimum and maximum price allows you to choose an exact price value that will restrict our system from pricing above or below. If you were to change a price outside of these boundaries, whether accidental or intentional, our system will restrict this action so that you can remain secure in knowing your prices are within a safe boundary. Our dynamic minimum and maximum option allows the system to calculate your price boundaries using a specific formula that you determine. The dynamic boundaries can be calculated using cost plus fees, map price, or retail price. If you choose to use our dynamic feature and select cost plus fees, for example, a modification to the product cost and/or the fees we import from Amazon would change the minimum and maximum price in dynamic fashion. Additionally, we offer an optional modifier that allows you to choose a custom dollar or percentage value that can increase or decrease the manual or dynamic price by a certain amount. After making your profit protection selections and creating your pricing strategy, the next step is to make changes to your manual minimum and maximum prices, or the values driving your dynamic minimum and maximum prices. You have 2 options of accomplishing this task, either in the listing workspace or in bulk via a file upload. For changing prices in the user interface, navigate to Workspaces and Listings. Next, make sure that your columns are displaying the relevant minimum, maximum, and preferred price headers. To accomplish this, click on the Column Chooser tile next to the search bar in the upper right-hand corner and drag and drop any missing columns into the grid. If this is your first time viewing these price columns, you will immediately notice that your manual minimum and preferred prices are already set and will match the current price we pulled in from each marketplace. This is a safety net feature in case you were to take the system live before structuring these prices yourself. To modify a price field, simply click into any of the price fields, make your change, and either push Enter on your keyboard or click back outside of the field you recently edited, and your change will be saved. You will also notice a pricing strategy column in the grid, and this field is used to assign your pricing strategies to the listings of your choice. If you would rather update these price fields in bulk using an Excel spreadsheet, navigate over to Tools, File Upload, and download the inventory template from the drop-down options. This file will give you a cover sheet of different inventory actions that can be used for a variety of scenarios. The most common action is Modify, and we'll be using this action for making price changes. The first 3 columns, Inventory Action, Site, and Seller SKU, are required to be filled in when uploading this template. Otherwise, You are free to delete out any columns that do not pertain to the modifications you want to make in our system. For this example, I'll be deleting everything out but the pricing columns. At this point, go ahead and insert your SKUs and the price values you are modifying. A quick way to find a list of your product SKUs is to export from either the listings or product workspaces. When complete, navigate to the File Uploads page and upload your inventory file for our system to store the changes you are making. This brings us to the end of our price structure video tutorial. For more tutorials, please visit our Support Help Center, found in the lower left-hand corner of your navigation toolbar.